Yeah. Yeah, no,
Hey, sanibonana.
yeah,
Sanibonana.
today, guys, no Sandumela, what, hayi. Manje asisha straight, kana masigena khona, yeah. Host ayikho. Ngama-host, so host
yeah.
ayikho namhlanje bafethu. Asingena khona. Anyway, sad news for South African football, for South Africans nje. All
For the
round.
football community as a whole, guys.
Yeah, no, for everyone.
Yeah.
Now we lost a soldier, good one. Good one.
Hot man.
Yeah, no, Jaden Adams in faith. I know you broke our hearts. Marish. Yeah, no, manish. Sad. Man.
Devastating.
Yes, man. Sad.
Devastating stuff. Sure.
It's sad, true. Yeah, no. May your soul rest in peace, mfethu.
So leyile part lesithatha uma moments inyana.
Yeah, of silence, nyana.
Yeah, this is Kuluma ngescript World Cup.
Yeah. Jaden mfethu.
Yeah.
You broke our hearts, mfethu.
Yeah, singangena ku-script bafethu.
Yeah, no, ngiyabona manje amabhifu afuna ukuqala manje.
No, akunabifu
no manesh.
Ukuthi silikhile iscript.
Now it's
silikhile man.
No bafethu. Yeah, ringani ngithi kwenzakalani? Khamba ubani wenzani iscript? Bana bamenzanga ini?
Silikhile.
Yeah, I know asicaleni la ukuthi Spain against Portugal
Kambeni.
Yeah.
Hayi bafethu. Hayi bamshaya.
Nganitshela ngathi i-GOAT kumele ibonakalise ukuthi I am the GOAT. Yangithola? And nina anikho fair kule GOAT team. That nigga is 41. Ngeke expect ukuthi run izinto ayenze in. Manje nina benifuna ukumcompare ne-out ena 39. Esayenza izinto.
Wenze
Okonje
uthi makangena kumele akora abonise ukuthi I am the
kumele enze something. Assist score enza something ukuthi GOAT. Yayiba busy man. Bonakalisa ukuthi I am the man in this house. Yabo. Mina le yami le ngisupportayo. Yeah, mayingakori assist. Yenza something ibusy na something yenzakalayo.
Because of ithola support kuma teammates wakhe.
Yes, sizoza dama ukuthi mayisarela ukuthi no,
he is carrying the team. No, they are carrying him. That old 39-year-old man.
Yeah. And then
no, you can't say old 39-year-old man.
I said old
An
twice.
Old man is 41 and he is out of this tournament.
That's why kumele ulibele uwalk abakunikeza udondolo ulibele uzwalkele egroundini bakukhera abafana bakutholela ikhona
yambona
bathi okay hamba ushaya le yakhona
yambona uHaaland phula ama strings kanje second inokuhamba ngathi Kenny
ngimboni
no ukuringa ivari
ihlalo mayithi lihlo ilibona kudala lebhola liyangada iyazi
ukuthi kumele arane kanjani. But then hey, that was, and I actually before le match iqala I was watching that match with my nephew. Ngamtshela ukuthi he actually believed ukuthi Norway is going to do the amazing when they are pretty much their maiden World Cup. He believed ukuthi Haaland, Odegaard, konjubane Andreas, konjubane lentwana le edlala ngayi uSorloth. He thought ukuthi kuzoba na something ngathi the main focus yabona lama team lawo ngwabonile ukuthi anama focal point in attack like Argentina. We have a focal point. Messi is our focal point. Norway, Haaland is our focal point. England, they changed their strategy from dual number 10s to Harry Kane being the focal point. Like what they did is they used the dual 10. So I said ukuthi njengoba Norway inale strategy sokuthi sine focal point which is Haaland, bathi sizokhatha supply asinandaba noHaaland, let's just cut the supply ukuthi ibhola lifiki kuHaaland sifocus kulabo abanye. Haaland mangabe ibhola lizosondela wena konjubane ntwana okay wena gay uzofocus ku Haaland. Mistake eyenziwe iBrazil le. Haaland is busy walking around. Akana muntu omtrackayo. Makazothola ibhola Haaland khane esiqala sifuna ukuphaphama. And asikhoni nokusho ukuthi wena vala lo muntu. Sonke simsurroundile si5. Akunamuntu omsondelayo. England beyenze sure ukuthi kunomuntu oyi1 omtrackayo. Noma singaba yi4 simmakile ukuthi supply ingafiki. At least kube noyi1 omtrackayo. England did that perfectly. So Haaland akaphuli ma strings ka Messi because Messi is a pocket player, creative playmaker, poacher. That man is just ratings. Yeah, I know that is true. Football found its voice when Messi started playing. Messi started playing, football found its voice. Ibola laqala laba ibola. Before Messi yeah.
Yeah, no, I know. Ngiyakuzwa injalo. Mara bafethu bes expect a lot from a 41-year-old. This is nothing ever.
No.
Pro 41 but I think angayithunanga the top goal scorer ever. Especially I witness in football. And watching that game against Spain. I think Gents didn't want to fight for him as much as the Argentina wants to fight for Messi.
Yeah.
And so I think any Ipege so reading Portugal, there are more big names than Argentina. Abo Vitinha, Abo Hernandez, Bruno, Neto,
Mendes,
Zipaya, yabona
Rafael
Leao, emvethu labantu laba Joao Felix, babhaya labantu laba ama big names. Ngithola. So now bebangafuni ukuthi mabadlala idisk badlalele Cristiano. Nabo bafuna ukwenza
bafuna ukushaya ibeke direct.
Yeah, bafuna ukushaya.
Because that's what they believe ukuthi currently in Portugal is the golden generation.
Exactly. So now bayabona ukuthi noma sisolwela untanga eyi1 akuzoba iproblem. That's why mina bengithi mabangamkhiphi Ronaldo. Sodlala iPortugal. Singabukeli imovie enye serious, yabo? Mara manje enye indaba vivi coach maybe acabanga ukuthi mangamkhipha kuye umuntu engithembile ukuthi angangigaya igobha.
I-problem ye-media yangala.
Apart from lokho vie.
Oh yeah. Bebamhype lo. Obvious like bebama Cristiano because of into enginoticile mina ne. Bangabheka since iqale World Cup. Debate bekweka like Messi Cristiano.
The last dance.
Yangithola. Of which asazi ukuthi uMessi vele uzoretire in my opinion. Asazi. Because of he's still playing. Yangithola. Well, uRonaldo yena bokuyile point ukuthi should he win it? Sakaba vele retire. Whether you win or not win.
Yeah.
Hence we should be expected a lot from him. But then the support from his teammates, the national football team yakon, they were in there.
Yeah. Now even
interviews amanye ama-player.
Yeah.
Statement is show nervous. You can tell good brother akuna unity.
Yeah.
So now as a leader, you couldn't ukuthi ababuyise sebabonke. As a leader. So for me, Portugal in this instance lose a leader.
Yeah.
Because of arrogance yakhe Ronaldo arrogant. Everything ayenza it's all about himself. Le game le yakho 2 goals ngayo praise.
Yeah.
If you can check, you about it was all about him, more than a team. So obvious, not to say I'm a player like Sizoba somehow with Tama.
Problem.
That's the problem. That's the difference in Argentina. Argentina was a winner.
Team spirit.
And we are born with the
and Messi lets his football do the talking. He doesn't do much talking, that man.
Yeah, bro.
I think the team spirit is Spain team spirit. Namachwanhla i2 mara ngeke sibhekane namachwanhla i2 ukuthi awasipani because team spirit.
Yeah.
And I think into ebayenza ukuthi ebadlisile Portugal team spirit being. Nala coach uSwag lo. Uvitinha ntanga uye interceptor lamabhola lawo iSpain idla ngawo.
Yes.
Lela game leleya. Mawumkhipha uvula imbobo and late mayimkhipha le yathi ngifaka uMerino manje. Like uvele wavula enye like so manje angisazi
yamnceda impayisisile yamnceda via because of Merino makangena uyenzani.
No, i-coach ePortugal uyobulala iPortugal.
Portugal yeah
Makakhipha uVitinha.
uyobulala iPortugal because of leya eSpain nayo ichwandla lo coach. Ivele yabona ukuthi yazi Merino manje yamfaka lapha but I feel like imove bekumele ayenze kudala. Bekumele maybe after 10 minutes amvana ukhiphe lechwandla leli oyazabala keep uBayena faka boNico faka uMerino uyachubeka uMerino mfethu uyidlalile false 9 na the previous World Cup I think wayidlala angayidlala no mfethu walevel ubhizu ufuna ukufoster thina esaseSpain oyazabala uyashaya false 9 ne uyashaya no doubt but uyabona ukuthi at some point uyakubhayizisa and kumele umkhiphe mdonze mfethu
Uyacrowda lo muntu lapha phambili
yeah like ngathi si11 mara sibona ukuthi siyenza ngathi simore mara into siyenza sibona
uyacrowda lo muntu
so yeah no yeah bekuyi problem so ngiyanizwa niyakhala bafethu ngegame leEgypt neArgentina nikhamba ingizwile nikhala
uzwebani awuzwanga mina
what's up group
awuzwanga mina
Olubone lesikale sathi
ubone bani akhala
okay isikale sathi
no mina ngibona iEgypt
wena uthini ngalelo
Argentina cishe bayeRope
cishe
okay mina ngibone ukuthi nina nikhayile ukuthi Argentina bayeRope mele bayeRope yeah benifuna Argentina bayeRope
awusu
because nina benikhalela ukuthi
bekumele bayeRope ngani Argentina
abareviewanga igoal elikore Argentina nebekune foul kusala
whereas bajaje ilona
whereas bajaja iEgypt ba-review ivale review makune foul bafethu bekungana foul dala lizoba bangayireviewa
bekungena foul
ayikho ifoul evidence khona nje ne-slow motion nayo yonke Salah himself akacomplainanga manje uvele wasukuma wasala ngiyangithola yeah because of iyo be controversial ukuthi
na
iEgypt ikorile ba reviewer bathi bekune foul da iArgentina yakora aba review so mina ngithi VAR i-reviewer makune foul bafuna ukubona usureview ukuthi come and see this thing chief maybe you'll tell us something yabo
so njengoba uSalah bekahamba sibheka isibhola ngayi waDribeka that's not a foul uMcAllister njengoba bekadonsa untanga ra eboxini unjubani
kodwa incident abangawajajanga
ama-incident and it goes both ways nginama video way-2
yeah
ayo Argentina ayenza lawo nawe Egypt
kukoriwe goal
ama-incident webhayibe kumele bajaje
yeah
nawo way-2 ama-video mina ngine-out effect ku-Twitter inje yami leya yi-favor mood khipha nje ukuthi nje i-referee yala ipoor and it doesn't favor this and this
officiating yeah
right
ukuthi it's poor iVAR inokwenza inokubiza ama-decision amanye ingawabizi on both sides I favor ukuthi because lokukhona uMessi la or because lokukhona ba there were fouls whereby Egypt bewayenza but they didn't judge
they kept the game going
same as Argentina they made fouls they didn't judge
njengoba
so referee yasekasi uyazi ikasi bebanokuhlaba urefathi sukuma banihlaba laba yatshele nazo ukuthi sukuma na because naye uyafeel ukuthi
no igame kumele flow angithi igame kumele flow you must not disturb the flow
so niyabona ukuthi so i-problem yini la yithi ama-fans complain too much on VAR
na iVAR ne-officiating ama-fans asinanje
don't go
futhi ke mina another nkinga engenayo VAR especially with the final stages mina the law that I've always known masisingena kuma-final stages we-World Cup you cannot have an official from a country whereby the team is still participating. Let's say South Africa is still in the final stage, finals. Let's say quarterfinals, semi-finals. if South Africa is still participating, there cannot be a referee from South Africa still officiating there.
Okay, I get you.
Because uzoba nama-biases and then azame ukubhayisisa le team le. If u-officiate le team ayibonayo ukuthi maybe izobhayisisa i-country yami, uzozama ukuyikhawatha.
Makayikhawatha nge-France.
Yeah.
Abayikhawatha nge-France.
I-France angithi
Officiate
ama-Argentina. Ne-Egypt versus Argentina be-officiate ama-ridings wase-France.
So abakhawatha na.
Yeah.
So ufuna ukuthi
Even
bafuna
worse.
ukuphusha i-Argentina ne-France to the next stage.
To the next stage.
They wanted
But
to do that.
that's the script.
And
That's the script.
and nale ya penalty ka Mbappe akusi penalty.
Lata iba khona.
Yeah.
Le Messi.
Yeah.
Not a penalty.
Makathi upusha ibhola and then
Ayimkapa amhlabanga.
Like
Ayimhlabanga le. Mina ama video ngisengoba slow motion slow mo.
all angles futhi nami
Ngiyabona.
officially kule World Cup nje.
Ayimhlabanga le. Utayivile la.
nayenye lo enga-apply-wa ngizo.
Asiyibone nge-first game.
Nayenye lo enga-apply-wa ngizo.
Yeah.
If idiski liyadlala ngithi ngiyakuphasa, ifeni lilahlela ikhene egroundini, ibhola lashaya ikhene la-change i-direction, igame yeah,
fair play.
yes. Izolo ukhipha uclear ibhola lishaya i-cable,
I-cable or camera.
i-cable yecamera, i-drone camera, i-harness ye-drone camera yashaya i-cable ibhola laphelela phakathi nendawo i-England yakona.
Bekumele balibuyise.
Bekumele ibhola bekumele ime match. So a lot of the officiating this World Cup
ne goal le Norway. Let's two.
Oh lila ka Haaland maka push intanga.
That's big ne foul.
But that was a foul. Before the ball was played, Haaland fouled someone. Like umpushi.
Azange bayicheck.
He checked. Yeah. And then the corner had to be retaken. And then the corner had to be retaken.
I referee the World Cup.
No, that one was it had to happen.
But then it's poor because nale incident le red card go Argentina game lezo
Switzerland yeah.
Embelo ba
Embolo yeah.
Awumshaya red card.
Second year.
Kwaba ne controversy ku Twitter, social media nje ukuthi
but the guy deserve
yellow card la.
Exactly, but
second year like it.
Angithi uyazi ukuthi Argentina say hate watch. So basebafuna ukubheka ama mistake.
Yeah.
And into engiyibonile lo referee da bekanga review le afoul le. Beka review ukuthi ugayiplay le wrong yelo card. So bafuna ukwenza sure ukuthi le player baligayile yilo le. So uthe makathi xa
uyabona utata
bese ukuthi manina bayikapaka
yeah le
idivile
amane sibone sonke ukuthi
yabona
wenzani
no abanye controversy kule leyo mfethu and yeah no it's bad.
So singasho sithi vele i-officiating akule World Cup nje
ngikhale from the first match ukuriniva ngikhale from the yabona South Africa versus Mexico ngiqala ukukhala la
yeah the red card nami ngiyithwa ngithi ayenzi sense.
Kunezinto ozibonayo ukuthi no, this is basically football context. This is football context.
Exactly. So no, shuthi 2030 sobukeli idiski ebazothi akuna contact.
No, siyobe sibukela ama-player walker. Bazowabekela ama-red carpet,
ama-cox bazowafaka ama-sets.
Bazofaka ama-high heel, kuzobe kukhahlela kwibhaluni.
Idiski belimnandi bakrobwana kana VAR kana next.
Yeah, le creator leading le.
Bathi offside yeah, I'll create something
ukuthi nathi sibe
mfethu yeah
nathi sibe la igame because of no asekho gaming like sesibheke nje ama mistake
sesibheke mistake
manje
hayi what
bese yakhenya kanjalo so like mina ngiyawisha nje hayi la eMzansi ayikabi la eMzansi bangayilethi VAR.
Yes.
No. I keep saying ukuthi ama-stadium wethu cannot accommodate that and it costs a lot of money futhi.
Nah, dog, this thing le ukuthi ama-stadium nani I mean I feel ukuthi it's bullshit because VAR simple. Ekelani level business ngazo manje it's a money making scheme.
Kahle kahle.
Ayikho into enzima ngale.
VAR doesn't belong to FIFA. That's another thing. Actually, patent FIFA VAR.
That is why ngithi this thing is a money-making scheme.
Just like ikula in technology.
If ediskin siyalibukela ediskin silibukela masibukela i-TV bayakhona ukubonisa i-highlights ya something bani makashaya ibhali sibone i-highlights.
Yeah.
That's VAR itself. So that means if kuna something yenzakalayo layout ezispanada zibhekile lapha in sibheka ama-states ukuthi ubani banigijima how many kilometers what.
Yeah.
They can just rewind nalabo banga-rewind babheke ukuthi lapha kune-foul lapha ku-offside then kube in sync nomuntu ose-stadium. You don't have to be a stadium. You can be ema-ofisini just like the way ama-commentators
Asipana ngakhona, yeah.
as a studio, super sports or whatever. But i-VAR ingasipana kanjalo. Maye ngoba bafuna ukwenza
laba base-studio ama-pundit. Ama-commentator have to be on site. Commentators have to be on site on the stadium. Laba base-stadium. Laba base
ngayiya studio.
Baba Mthetho use-stadium.
World Cup baba Mthetho la eRedbank.
Oh yeah, leyo.
Ama-game abhasi bawatshuna kanjani. That is why ngithi i-VAR mina for me ngifila ngathi nje bekumele nje kube no
phela siyazi e-stadium ukuthi kune-commentary box. Ku-stadium siyazi ukuthi kune-commentary box ukuthi everyone ama-commentator.
E-stadium ngeke bakhona ukushaya nje just a room with TVs with niggas who can just rewind and see ukuthi kube nomuntu okhuluma ne-match official yabo nama-officiators u-referee aphoze igame ukuthi chief kune-incident yenzakele ahambe bafake lesa screen lesa bamfakele nje sona nje sizoyenza nje highlights bambone ukuthi
just one screen yabona lento leyo
rewind abheke u-referee le imhlabile lapha ya red card wena va like manje
it's already patented, unfortunately. It's already patented. Umuntu ozene-video assistant referee uyadla nge-FIFA no nange-UEFA nange-CAF.
Ngabe bathi bekuyimi ngiphethe li-10 bengizodla imali e-Afrika. Ngabe ngidla imali e-Afrika.
Siyaleka nge-infrastructure mfethu yabona ngayiye
no asikho bafethu ikhona
ukuthi
iyashaya.
Okay,
last week ukuthi imali iyashaya.
Okay, uDenny Jordan vele uyayihlafuna imali. Angifuni nokusaba nokulikhipha igama lakhe. Ngizolikhipha live. Denny Jordan uyayihlafuna imali. Yena akafuni nokuyehla ne? Maqala ukukhulunywa ngama-elections.
Ngathi bafuna ukuletha le amaZulu. Ngathi kuzoba yiyo like i-president esafa. Sandile Zulu. Yeah. So like
at least
abaphusha yena so like
because lo muntu lo has been what 20
dog ever since
shudu kumnandi
20 years Mpenjika ayontuku ngaleso sikhathi
kupiyesel yenza into ezirayo because if yenza ubutsotsi njengabe uCAF ngabe i-Pirates win league kaningi
gayani konje khona le president yabo CAF ne
angingafuna ngikhuluma
into ishilo ukuthi if bekunobutsotsi ku-PSL njengaku CAF i-Pirates ngabe ithatha iligi kaningi
ngizange ngithi ku-CAF kunobutsotsi you know what I'm saying why chairman yami irana i-PSL grand if bengayirani grand Pirates ngabe win league so manje ku-CAF
kwenzakala
hawu zange hawu
ku-CAF
ku-right ku-CAF
kwenzakala
ku-CAF aku-right vele ku-CAF ku-right kancane this season kudala icalile
sobona kuyo
dala kusayina ama-player January sekutshentsha imithetho kutshentshe manje 2 seconds
all of a sudden le player leli kumele ngaba lisadlali bathi hayi kita bhatala fine kina lichelete mos lina na hore ki bro
mara it is what it is
umthetho sokuthi kumele kubhadaliwe yangithusa leyo ukuthi player kuphela kumele lihlale until lize libe konje yini fully registered in the following season and nama-points kumele abuyele emuva. Ngabona bathi hayi yazini ama-points azohlala khona laphayana ababhadala ifine nje. Umthetho wamanje ushintshe nini? Just
hey.
Okay, hayi.
Yeah.
So yeah, hayi.
Tamasha.
Yeah. Ayonjuku
Ramaphizi.
Ramaphosa.
Asha isipali lapha.
Yabona i-PSL level yakhona ukuthi hayi. Ivayisa ama-player or
That's why Pirates ngawini league sifuna ngakhona because of chairman is doing the job. Ayifani namanye.
Abekho inside.
Yeah. So nithi FIFA and president yenzani World Cup yuna Argentina.
Yeah, hayi, angithi sekashilo yena uJiani.
Anti ngitheni phethe
I-script.
Yeah,
Ngithi ngiyazidonsa.
Asidonse la.
Yeah.
Ngoba ne-script ne-match ye-Sweden man bese sibonile ukuthi bese kunama-goal allowed.
eSwitzerland.
Switzerland.
Lezo.
Yeah, leya namhlanje.
Leya Fanta.
Oh.
Walephe. Ekwenzakala.
Yeah. Come here.
Ngibukele kudo.
Yeah, nabo bekudlela sama-match ngo-3.
Eish.
Makanje overall hayi FIFA World Cup le hayi. Into ibhaya man. Ningi man.
Ama-hydration break.
Nama-break man.
Kahle bafethu niyazi ukuthi kushisa kanjani eAmerica.
Ngashisa chief.
Yo, kuyasifiwa ngada. Akusama-African lawa yaphela.
Wonke ama-African aphumile. Angikhulumi
Wonke ama-African game bekunemvula hydration break yeah.
Yashisa. It's humid.
It's money making scheme chief.
Angithi kumele kurun ama-ads vele VA. McDonald's paid a lot of money to run their ads.
That's the problem.
Coca-Cola paid a lot of money.
Lezi zama-hydration break abazenze ku-cricket le-airports lezi nabo-tennis ebholeni baba
siyamakamela
maye mawulebela ubanda ushisa ubanda ngeke udlala abayisuse lezi zinto zabo.
Thini le-script professor?
And ngiyacela ku-CAF
ngiyafuna le-script
ku-CAF kungabi nama-hydration.
Hayi la thina
No thina siyawazi
CAF please because no president
Marieza hydration.
Yeah, you see
hydration.
West lesikiti mangata akushisi la bezijwayele hit ngakhona bangayenzi
wazwile phela lama rules lawa abawafake no njengoba phela ama rules achangewe njengoba kuzoba i-World Cup leyo ukuthi you must spend 30 seconds or less ukuthi ushaye throw in. 10 seconds ukuthi mawuyisaba. Yeah.
Lawa right laws bayizwe isikhathi.
Time tactics.
Yeah, ibhola manje sifuna ukuthi i-team waste isikhathi ngedisk ilibambe kulo balinoke. Indaba umuntu throw in uzobheka ama-shoelace ubheke
ulebele ubhizi usula ibhola ngesikipa.
Ulebele usula ibhola ngesiwest kumele ziphele
isikhathi nizokukhosta lento leyo.
Bo-Ron Wayne so.
Yeah. Yabona ngalabo.
Bo-Chipper.
Yeah. Alibela la phezulu kwebhola.
Kumele ziphele zonke lezi zinto. Sifuna ukubukela ibhola manje. Yeah, keep a script. I want to see the script. I want to hear.
Maye ngithi ngiyabheka ifoni yami iluma ni man.
Yeah.
So nabe angisifundanga I skimmed through it ngibonile ukuthi man.
Bathi
no, the script okay, yeah, you should but
so na angithi part of the plan vele into beyibhalwe Stanley Kubrick, his soul rest in peace. Ukuthi France yo officiate Argentina yo officiate France just ukuthi bakhona ukudlula. Baba yenzele iplan. Bafuna bona ukuthi kube yibe finally vele.
Yeah, Mari France idlula Spain. I'm sorry.
Spain in a plan for France bafethu.
Spain in a plan for everything.
In a plan for Argentina.
Yeah.
Patience in Ghana.
This is going to be the second World Cup for Spain if they do manage to go all the way.
They will go all the way. Don't they do what's right?
Yeah.
And we are playing England in the final. Hey, we will rock those ones. Hey, we are gonna rock them. Those ones. We are rocking them. Those ones.
Yeah.
England plays as a unit. It's something engishilo before you
Spain center.
You're fine in Spain. Spain
is just too organized, and Uber too organized sometimes goes of cover.
Too
much organization.
now we are organized, we are playing good football besides two
Vamos,
chapters.
Espanya.
We are going all the way, chief. So ishaye France. And into soyenza ukuthi sishaye France ukuthi
Mbappe uzofuna ukushayina i-1.
ubani Cuba sakuphi?
Senyazi.
Umkhiye season yonke so uzoqhubeka
Uzofuna ukushayina i-1.
ifuna ukushayina i-1 la Trentla
agcina lose focus. Yabona manje seyenzani ke iFrance iba destroyed kancane. Lezi izokutiya.
Ningazodlala uMbappe dictator lapha ya. Ngiyakhumbula ngesikhathi azaphuma abhinyekile. Wanikezana nge-armband. Maqedwe uyakhomba ukuthi nika umuntu oso. Baqale bayambuza futhi ukuthi manje yakubani? Yakhomba. Yeah.
Yabo.
Uyabatshela ukuthi sekukhipa.
ngizwile ngaye bathi
Bathi
na omunye
mabaqeda ukuphuma. Mabaqeda ukuwina leyo match leyo ngele yathunile. Bodlala neMorocco konje ne? Mabaqeda ukuwina thunile. Mase celebrate yo. Ulanda iarmband futhi. Letha. Yayifaka. Ya celebrate.
Celebrate ngathi azange afake i-ice la.
Yeah, bekasema IC nawo walanda iarmband vie. Celebrate.
Ubani?
Mbappe.
Mbappe yagijima.
Mara ngikutshelile ukuthi benibuza before imse.
Ngiyabuza.
Ngazi.
Hayi
Ntswembu olise.
Hayi le inswembu ke.
Nenye indlela la.
Awutswemo Mbappe.
Nenye
Nani?
Igame yakhe mostly pace and finishing. Pace and finishing. Untswemo.
Yonke
he's efficient.
space.
So close call la kushuthi bekangashisa kulesa scheme seFrance.
Utlosikolela.
Yeah.
Utlosikolela bekagijima straight so bekungena next bekayenza. Mbappe can change direction. That's what makes him special. He can change direction just like Thierry Henry. Thierry Henry bekungena next special bekuwukuthi ukwazi ukuchange direction. Ukwazi ukuphula ama-ankles.
Bekangana pace Thierry.
Yeah?
Hayi.
Thierry Henry was fast. Thierry Henry khona la ke asiphasa khona kuyi team yakho Arsenal. Walihlaba phakathi kwama-player.
Phela eze player iyakhona ukuchayisa lezo zinto leya.
Bekangachayisi.
Une pace.
Une-pace
Mbappe une pace.
into engiyibonile ngoMbappe mina
Ngisacela ngibukele
Hayi siyambukela Mbappe no
space
doubt.
ungamgayi mfana makabhekane neball because of he can carry ibhola.
It's like signing. Okay, it's bad, man.
playing in the shadow of Cristiano Ronaldo.
It's like playing Messi or Ronaldo in one team. It wouldn't work. Do you understand? So yena uzibeka kuleyo level ukuthi umthweni
Kunjela wonke umuntu.
and lento le uzoyichuna lady. Owela amagoli yawakora siyabona i-top goal scorer no.
Naku Spain, naku
Madrid.
yeah, ku Real Madrid.
La Liga.
Ku La Liga, top goal scorer.
Top goal scorer. Uyakora. So but mina ngibuza ukuthi umthweni no.
Umthweni.
Ngokora.
Finishing and interpreting his space.
I-threat ama-defenders are slow. I mean apace.
Mali fast.
Yeah?
Mali fast.
Because of yena fast.
Mali fast
Makathole
defender.
i-team leyazi ohlangana nayo. I-team ekhona ukudlala ibhola. Frustrate. Ukugijima ngeke kuspan. That's Spain yabo. Ekeni le France neSpain.
So if it defender le fast,
Mali fast.
umthweni uzoba mthweni.
Mali fast hayi.
Ngeke
Uzoliphula ama-ankle.
uzophula ba.
Lona le defender.
Uzolikapa.
Yeah. Kwazi ukuchange direction fast.
Mali kwazi ukuchange fast lelo player.
Yeah, well sayibona leyo nto leyo ngalentwana le konjubani Conor Bradley. Yadila naye accordingly if uyakhumbula ngesikhathi Liverpool ikhipha i-Real Madrid.
Yeah.
Bekunalentwana le Conor Bradley yadila ngoMbappe imshaya nge-first man. Every single time before aqala break aseyidana.
I'm asking this.
Limited on i-pace.
I'm asking this because of Sibukelo Christian. Sabukelo Messi. Against all odds, mfana.
Yeah.
All defenders.
Yeah.
They did things. Wow, zinto bezishock asi yo.
Yeah.
So ngibuza ukuthi uMbappe angayenza le into.
Alisekho lelo bola man.
Mara angayenza. Hayi so mawuthi alisekho shoota ke console. Sizicikile yashuta ke console. So ngibuzela la yini ngiyangithola because of i-era kaMessi noCristiano yaphela mfethu.
Yeah.
And kumele iphele.
Kumele kube ni-era. So uMbappe ukuma in those books for you No,
didn't say
Shooter
that,
akekho nzulu.
bro.
He is.
I wouldn't say
He is. For this era. Yabona, this is the same thing nokukhulunywa ama-basketball fans comparing LeBron no MJ, Michael Jordan. If you're an OG, if you come from the era of the physical basketball, you will say Michael Joseph Jordan is the greatest of all time to ever touch the basketball. If ule era leya no yabo Kobe Bryant when Michael Jordan was reaching his end, Kobe Bryant, Allen Iverson, Steph Curry, you will say LeBron is the greatest because he scores the most, he's physical, he defends. So thina sibuya kule era le besibukela idisk, like we were spoiled for choice. Mangakhuluma ama-player lawa ebesiwabukela bafethu thina besibukela idisk, we were spoiled. Hayi bafethu thina sibukela ibhola thina.
Relebule Mofokeng.
Okay, I know why. Kona Relebule Mofokeng ushaya uMbappe Relebule Mofokeng bafethu ayamsha. Ronaldinho. Yabona. Thina sibuya kule era le besibukela ibhola. And then Messi no Cristiano continued the era very nicely. No, le era le thina besibukela ibhola ngayo. Yabo phela nabo Steven Gerrard bekuyizinja bafethu ngale nikhumbule ukuthi bekunezinja la. Yeah. Konjubani your greatest player jersey number 10 wakho man. Maybe show number 10.
Good.
Uma Invincibles wakho.
Arsenal.
Yeah.
Beckham.
Yeah. Beckham. Yabo. Those were, that was the era, and then kwangena bo Cristiano, nabo Andres Iniesta, bo Ronaldinho. Baqhubeka era abo Ricardo Kaka. Yabo. So now asabuke le bhola lele besilibukela before ngoba le ntwana lezi they just have this thing coaching ukuthi you must run with the ball and then and don't delay attacks. Asinasikhathi sama skills. Waqala washaya ama skills waluza ibhola, you are the problem. Wo delay attack bekumele ngabe ucrossile. Ungazoyilibela ubhizi usishayela ama step over lana ulivula.
So with that the science is counted disk. No. Yeah. Okay.
We just have to find a way ukuthi siziblend as way too and not try and make football too perfect. Asingazami ukwenza ibhola libe perfect.
Okay, so zisikhawathile manje ukuthi asitholanga indlela zokuziblenda zethu.
Yeah. We sports science we do need it. Yabona sports science idingela futhi especially for izinto ezifana nabo minimizing injuries. Maximizing the output player, maximizing fitness. The science it's basically to help a player reach their maximum potential or even break that limit because we are humans, we are meant to evolve. Manje masisiqala si-evolve sifuna ukwenza yonke into ibe perfect sizohluleka.
Yeah, vele nayo
iyahluleka manje.
Idiski bele mnandi kudala ntwana masingena i-formation beyi-1 kuyi-442 and sidlala nezinye zase-DK asizicavi nazo zidlala i-442. Uzozigeleza egrawundini ukuthi sidlala kanjani, not ukuthi sizohlala sibabukele kuma-video sisho ukuthi zidlala sona senzeni. Ibhola bekumele ngabe manje linsumbu kakhulu ukudlula kudala.
Yes.
Because of now sinama video analysis nani you can see ama-play ukuthi adlala kanjani nani. Dala mfana bobona nge-first half no coach bekakutshela ukuthi first half aka substitute.
Yeah.
Because of we understand ukuthi sifuna ukufunda labantu. Sesibabonile manje ukuthi badlala kanjani. Asenzeni sona. Bele mnandi la.
Yeah.
Kuthe mangena idatha nani video analysis manje so saba umndawo ngoba manje unomndawo ubhekelela ama-video analysis wakhe for 5 games yabona le ngathi yashisa le awusafuna ukumlana or so saba kuma-tech because uyabona le iyamanga.
Yankhiya le.
Yankhiya.
You are supposed
seyikhile already usayibukele kuma-video analysis. Lo muntu angaka-ma-attack nokuma-tech angithola so sekubulele le into engafuneki idiskini. That's why ngithi
Ikhawathi
kumele ulande umuntu. Yazi ngibone ngani ngegame le-Sundowns against Pirates. Umreni kunama-chances whereby uphuma 1-on-1 naye kumele amlande. Uyasaba.
Avala ibhola phasi.
Ufuna uthezwe ngevala.
Mfethu, landa lo muntu lo and
Yeah.
kumele umlande mfethu. Landa lo muntu lo iyakubi.
Uyacabangela uyavala.
Exactly, angithola and yena uyidefend usmart uyakwazi ukuthi uzowatheka kanjani. Sekayazi, sekazomela wena ukuthi utsini uchange leyo yatheka ngakhona or uza straight.
Yeah.
Kana manje uyabona ukuthi if awuzi straight.
But then kumele umqondo umuntu sometimes umcross inyawo nje
Kumele umdribule simple.
Cha ukuthi phela uMessi phela bekawabukela wonke lama player lawa naye it's part of the job.
Makantwana
le era leka Ronaldinho.
makantwana
Bekazidika.
Yeah.
Bekazidika 99 ukuthi wena smart kangakanani. Bekadika 99.
Do you think mara ngesikhathi ka-Ronaldinho I doubt bayenza lento zama-video analysis?
Yes.
Okay, sure.
Sharp bezingakabi that advanced I think.
Okay, sure. If bebasishuko ngifuna ukuya yi-riding because njengoba uthi ngingumisi uzofaka no-Ronaldo kuyo riding le. Do you think these guys bayabukela ama-video analysis bahlali uRonaldo noMessi abo-Ronaldinho bathi ngibukele lezi ngizoba-question azibukeli leza zithi abeza abazayo
No,
zibalana
Messi actually does do that.
bangakho abantu ama-defender abukela uMessi ambona ukuthi ukhatha
Wenza into one every day.
Hey, angeke uzuprepare uMessi bafethu.
Football genius there.
That is why I don't think that guy yena uyababukela because of uzowazi ukuthi zizocava ukuthi ngenzani lezi nja lezi zizocava ukuthi ngizofuna ukuyaphi ngizoyenza ini even though quick ukucabanga ne.
Yeah.
But ngifila ngazuthi dating leyo yena personally bezomshaya ukuthi it's like abantu bayazi ukuthi ngizoyenzani then ngiyenza. Uyangithola?
Konje ubani leya coach after Pep eBarcelona?
I think ayo leya naye.
Konje ubani after Pep?
Luis Enrique.
Yeah, lese PSG no. Pep wathi makavaya eBayern wayitshela ukuthi ngicela ungazama ukucoach uMessi.
Uyangithola ukuthi
vele most aba-coach ababhanga bayi-coach iBarcelona.
Ngicela ungazama ukucoach uMessi.
uMessi bebongamcoach abamcoach kanjani.
Do you understand?
Don't even try.
That is why ngithi mawubhekile ntana Cristiano uyahlala azi ukuthi lezi zizowazi space sami zenzani ngithi ngizibhekelele ukuthi zenzani. I don't think echuna le. I think we grounding azi ukuthi ngiyababulala la.
But it's part of the job. You have to.
Ukuthi
But I don't think
uzenzele analysis yakhe ngayo maka approach igame.
Yeah.
Uyangithola?
Yeah.
Aspane la kumele improve khona. Because obvious zona sipana about more improving.
That's where the science here.
So mina ngiyacabanga.
Yeah, so Kaizer Chiefs must remove all the video analysis bayekana.
Yabona ke abantu abangayenzi video analysis yibo labo. Abanana analysis yandex yabona labo. Abazowina ngithi ngiyabanceda ukuthi bakhona ukuwina. So sanama video analysis
nani. Yabona manje ngathi bayeza. Basayinile ngithi na.
Chiefs.
Yeah, basayina ucoach. One Cruz.
Yeah, now ama-fans Chiefs awekho here.
Like they are following bayasilandelele yabo. So like bada Spain.
Yabona manje bayodlala pre-season yabe Spain.
The Rangers, you see.
Yeah.
I know levels.
Ngitshele you out to WhatsApp if Chiefs ngithi becomplain ngecoach ngithi lo coach umbongile umbukelile ukuthi udlala kanjani style sakhe.
Yeah.
Athi no ngithi manje ucomplainela. Athi hayi
khuluma ngalezo two.
Leya no.
Fernando Cruz.
Ngazi bathi team yakhe bedliwa
ibuya vele leya.
Azangizanga ne-background.
Azangilandelelana ngishaya background check.
That's the ngiyangizada ukuthi that's the beauty of this. Jose Rivero nathi
simthole kwi-plan.
Comment ama-page wabo Chiefs ku-Twitter bayenza plamba ngiyangithola. It's because of ngahamba no nge-Belgium ngifike kanti angifiliswa ukuthi lento engicala. Ngifiliswa ukuthi lento enziwa la nami azivayelani. Maybe mina I'm ahead. ngihambe nge-Spain ngifike ngiwina ama-cup basho dale bekuyitshwanhla mose Belgium
No Rudolf
Why
Krol
Spain?
angithi bekuyitshwanhla le Netherlands.
Yeah,
exactly
yeah.
Rudolf Krol bekuyitshwanhla eNetherlands. Wathi makafika ngayi wayithatha i-total football wayibeka la ekasi. Wabuya nama-treble alandelanayo.
Same as no
so Kaizer Chiefs fans ngiyanimotivate zinto zami this season ngizobuya makanwini nix
Nani kumele nithole iplamba after lapho nithole i-carpenter phela njengoba benithi sithole iplamba and realize ukuthi siyabuilda sikuma renovations so mase siqalile sibuildile kumele sithole iplamba lizothupela lapho iflow lento after lapho sithole electrician
Yeah.
which is uterminator nesandla sogesi
Mhm.
wafika wakhonekta intambo
athi wa
connector zayenzeka izinto sekuyalayita manje nibonile ukuthi sekuse-arena the only team ene-arena
mfethu
yeah
mfethu
the biggest
abanye
tavern in South Africa.
banemali mara yeah
Babuyisa ama-player.
oh yeah ngibonile ucash uyabuya ne
Uzozilula manje.
mfana you know ayileya inswembu leya I wish mfana ngathi ngathola i-game time le ntwana yazi I wish mfana but no
No repair ubile ne.
okay
Aso khutle. Santsane le di-rumors.
ama-rumors le ntwana ucash mfana yo ngathi ngathola i-game
Cash
time
Malume benebha.
Yeah, mayilungile.
Ekuzoba i-party ye-national team World Cup
yeah le nswembu yeah.
Le move le
And experience yakhe ukuya ngala mara experience nakhi Spanish
Yeah, hey, experience la. We Pelushilo nerelo ukuthi I'm playing in one of the best leagues I can compete anywhere.
Yeah.
ezinjalo
Yeah.
lezo ukhuluma kanje ke mentality right ke
I'm playing in the best league.
ntwana le mfana kumele izisquadini ntwana I think masingathola
Mayilule,
Borile nabo mayilula kube yibe esquadini asoba mna manje angiyabona lela chwanhla le coach lapha ku Sundowns ibuild enye team yayo ke side
Yeah.
how build enye team yakhe lo
Landa ama-international.
yeah you build enye team
Whereas thina ngayisibhizi ne-South African.
That's when Sundowns they are doing it for themselves, Joe, not for South African football. Because if they were doing it for South African football, abayilanda le ntwana ucash game lab bebazoplay nakuyo because urena sona 29
Urenas,
Yeah.
yabo sekaba hroti so le ntwana encane nale ntwana yabo vivi umkwena kuba
Upenet.
kena ukekana or umkwena
Upenet. Upenet mkweli.
umkwena
And like i-Sundowns iney'ntwana ezikhaya.
and rumors are
Urhumule makikana so
Kodwa yaziyala free fire yazwa.
rumors are umabhena loan
Mapen.
bamlona Pretoria University
EP.
Yeah, ne.
So,
University of Pretoria.
lezi zinto ezingithayo mangibona lezi zinto ngithaba fithi azintwana emeli sizibukele lezi
And isikhathi
azikhompyuthe le ntwana bafethu
izokumele izidlale because of mangabheka
World Cup
team ye-Sundowns most yabo 8
Average age ye-Sundowns angithi yila I think is 31. The average age, the average squad age.
Yeah,
31.
31 so uyabona ukuthi so
Thina i-average age yebhakaneya ikhuphuliwa ridings uDion Hall. Otherwise thina bese noMakhawula
ama-senior player.
Yes, otherwise besi below 25. Ukuthi sifike ku-25 uMakhawula no ridings no Dion Hall.
Pelepele lasendi.
Pelepele wamandile.
bengana ama-player
Agroot, yes.
nabo bedlala ngento
Just by ngipreferitla ama-boys nabaye babuye ntwana yamaye intwana lezi bazidlalise
Sidinge competition man.
straight.
yeah man boma 5 teams
Lazabona
Yeah.
ne-format ye-league nje imnandi idabi izodlala kahle vele back to its origin.
Yeah.
October, March.
Yeah.
Isikali ye-space leso.
shout out to Manqoba Mnqithi
Overyile konje.
yeah uvayile coach
Yanga SC.
yeah coach welcome back to the Champions League mina bengifuna coach Chiefs manje Chiefs amachwana
Hayi.
bakushilo wathi bablockile imove yakhe
Ukuthi ukhozi.
athi bayiblock
because of vele makayeka la kwa-Rose bokuthi vele ngathi uyadla.
Okay.
Nami bengibona kuyi-coach be-suitable
Potential coach for
Yeah.
Chiefs, ne?
But ne-Chiefs naye ngithi bafuna umuntu abangamcontrol. That's why sometimes prefer ama-unknown. Because it's a family business. Khona
problem ida
khona abantu abazokutshela ukuthi hey phela mina ngifaka nge-CV ukuthi ngisebenza la.
problem ida mfana
Problem ida.
just let the coach do his job
Yeah.
do whatever he wants angithi nimsayinele lokho
Yes.
nyekeleni apushe ispan sakhe ashaya into yakhe mfethu
So
so that man ngekho happy at the end of the season nazo simkhatha all
yeah, with good reason futhi.
but then I believe mfana ama-contracts waba-coach nawo kumele abe well structured ukuthi as you are here are you here as a coach ezovele iswinise senze izinto or you want to
Or
build
sisabhilda
from
na.
development yethu size kahle nayo mina mfana
Yinto esiyenze ngithi ne-plumber yethu.
or Revere.
Yes.
Yeah, I think ama-contracts waba-coach kumele abe njalo ukuthi hey mangabe uthi wena uyashisa wena uNtswembu
Yeah.
lezi siziphethe ungaswinisa
sithathele
something swinise something if uyahluleka in the season
Out.
if wena uthi uyabuilda ucala from la uza nayo to first team then hey tanga mina ngaka 10 years into yakho
And
Yeah,
and ungabheki wallet ukuthi sizovulela impompi ukuthi ube nemali. Angeke sivulele next. Sizokulimita when it comes to inyo.
simple
I-budget yakho 10 meter. Bona wenzani?
yeah
Yeah.
Alex Ferguson
basenibani
uyenzile Arsene Wenger uyenzile
Yeah.
bababa coach bayishunile baby ngafika
basenibani vele mara kuphi khosini
Khosi
ama-signings wabo
basen ulina goalkeeper uye ngimbonile so far but ngibonile ngathi baningi abangayanga eSpain Thabo Cela kayanga eSpain ngathi nomayo akayanga eSpain because
Baseka
umayo number 3 Stombile ngathi
umayo kanti le team leyanga bengamlona
ngathi ke baba permanent zangu be permanent
next.
loan
Long deal.
Ande basadilana ngathi Chiefs ifuna ukumthatha permanent
ayokora amagoli offside anyadlale angithatha igoli kaPule Muthi
elena loyo muntu loyo na iChiefs iqeda ukutrigger i-one option yakhe
leya mina ngazi ukuthi khambani ngayo
ayi
ene bengaba great
well hayi leso puta this season baza ni mentality grand new coach everything be grand plus base Spain vele yabo bayoclimatize kuyashisa ayithi thina vele sesijwayele ngala sekhaya ya
Sundowns ye-Austria
Australia yabo
yeah
badlala Intercontinental Cup kumele baye Austria
ngamele babuye mfethu we are mourning here in South Africa
bashonelwe labantu bafethu.
sonke sishonile mfethu Jaden hard mfethu yeah no hayi siyayivala noma singayivulanga
Yeah, but yeah, njengoba sikhuluma ngayo le ndaba yokushonelwa bafethu hey akungabi indaba yokuthi men's mental health month even though iphele last month na men's mental health kubonisa ukuthi siyakhawathiwa as ama-out bafethu when it comes to mental health yethu si-share month nama-gay okay yeah si-share month nama-LGBTQ
yeah
si-share month nama-ridings nama-youth month LGBT konje ni Pride month which is one of the 7 deadly sins, pride. Men's mental health is not something ukuthi
yeah
so bafethu mental health is very important, especially men's mental health, because if you notice something ukuzalwa kwakho siya mfethu umntwana wani umfana okay okay hayi umfana just already maybe lizokubamba sikhashana leso time and then yo makuyintombazane kutshentshiswana ngaye sibali yo makuzalwa yena uproducer wethu kwatshentshiswana ngaye kusuka ku-olid lakhe ithayima seliyamthatha hawu ntombazane yami thathwa ubani yabo ugogo umkhulu yabo. You get into this world, you are nurtured, you are looked after because they believe that you are vulnerable, you are soft, and as the out in faith we are hey sukuma indoda ayikhali mfana, like you grow up with these things ukuthi mangikhala ngizokhalela kubani. Currently in that state, especially this current climate of protect the woman or believe her or am I next, one of those hashtags,
Purple gang.
Purple gang, the boy child is never looked at as a possible victim of abuse or societal abuse or izibhaya. That's why intwana eyibhaya ayazi ukuthi izokhuluma nobani ejardini igcina seyibhema ama-drugs igcina sesibushosha. And now I understand why uphuza kangaka until you have to unpack these things ukuthi no man, mental health is not really looked at. So if the speculation is true, Ngontwana, if the speculation is true, I wish ukuthi football teams could do more for these boys.
True.
I wish these teams could do more in terms of mental health. Yeah, ungabalahlele groundini badlale, but let's do more.
Most about us friends commenting. You should have scored that goal. You should have attacked this.
Okay, but on that one, I believe as ama-footballers abaqala ngokudlala ibhola professional.
Yeah.
They played it ekasi. Futhi ekasi it's worse because of umuntu mala uyamuzwa kahle. Bake bangibamba iskip eBram Fisher ngiyoshaye khona kanye. Ngakhona ukushaye khona, ngisakhona ukuya phambili.
Yeah.
Bangibambi. So into ezinjalo are the things that should teach you ukuthi where you want to be and where you are going, it's going to be worse. So you need to shut them out. That is why, but don't read the comments.
Cristiano Ronaldo is one of the biggest advices about niggas of my young players. Cristiano, the coach.
He is the GOAT.
We advise ukuthi intwana ezincane mazisaqala zivela mayiqeda ukungena nje ku-riding sayitshela ukuthi intwana yami don't read the comments. Mawuqeda ukuposta phuma la.
Don't read the comments.
Yeah.
Because if you are not mentally strong, don't.
Yeah.
Yeah, because of the coward
Yeah, just turn off the comments.
You don't have to turn them off.
But I don't think Jalen, I don't think it's there. You know?
Yeah.
Ignore.
Yeah, just ignore them.
Focus on it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Poster.
The comment ukuthi no, ayihlali grand.
If our mentally strong, post.
Sazibuza ukuthi ukuhambani kanti ile comment yakudisturb awusakhona into oyenzayo. So like this is into kumele
and then now
mentally strong, don't post.
Yeah, and then now
you have to know your life.
You end up being
Just
overly critical of yourself.
Yeah.
So criticizer even more because you looked at that comment and then uthi mawuzibheka ubone kahle ukuthi Marosi uyayicava into aringa ngayo yazi, like especially thina amaphandle. So people who actually speak about football, who have lived football, who have played football, and the moment we get the global's eye, we're not like grounding, so ubona kahle ukuthi hey lezi ziyacava kodwa, so they have a right yokuthi bangakhuluma the way bakhuluma ngakhona ngami. Hugo Bros maybe I believe ukuthi simqoshisile senze kahle futhi or ukuthi a resign usizile futhi tshwanhla kabi lonto leya suka dina kabi leyo.
No yabona lenye into vie mele sigayi credit ibhakani ngalama documents wayo.
Oh yes,
because of you get to know a player like lona like personal
because
of baringa as a player, and then that's where ibond iba khona amongst them. Hence babona mabadlala inside the field of play uyayibona connection ukuthi hayi jaja i-connection ka Rile no police. Like ngesizini e1 for ka police they became so close. uyangithola. So like clearly abantu bashare ama experiences wabo like on a personal level.
No,
Never singazi nokuthi
Yabona-
singazi.
Uyangithola.
these are things ukuthi mangithi teams need to do more. Pirates is doing it.
Yeah,
Orlando Pirates
it
is
is.
doing it. When it comes to mental health, Pirates will actually, as much as they can afford a team doctor or a player doctor, a health specialist, they have a mental health specialist, they have a financial health specialist. Umuntu ukuthi ukhona ukuhlala nawe yakubuza ukuthi mfethu
Spend
ukhole this week. So far ngiyabona ukuthi uphume out day 4. How is your finances going? Ekhaya bathi ngicela uyobona i-team therapist uzokhona ukukhuluma naye ukuthi yini singayenza better la e-teamini ukuthi ukhona ukuba accommodated. Okay, kunomuntu ophila i-lifestyle around the same age, ngicela umshadow ublome naye ubone ukuthi ungafundani. These are things that are actually being done by teams like Orlando Pirates. Amanye ama-team mawuqeda ukuhola uze ubuye ejimini yazo phume kubo. Yeah.
They just want you ukuthi
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah,
So
I think makavele
a lot of teams need to do more when it comes to mental health. All the teams.
I think as in, I think each and every episode from today, this month, thina siyayichubekisa
Mental health. Yeah.
Dilana
Kanje.
We need to.
Singena kuyo each and every week. I think kumele sirimini ngayo
Yeah.
mfethu. Just to put it out there. Ngithi no, we are going through it.
zalahlekelwa phela kanje.
No, asivaleni. Noma singayivulanga.
Siva lesingevula.
Yeah.
Asivale singayivulanga. Anyway, yeah, bafethu, this is Shibobo Magazine. Shout out to everyone and everyone.
Please like, subscribe.
Yeah, subscribe,
Yeah.
like, yenza zonke izinto. Jaden, may your soul rest in peace, my brother.
Yeah.
Grootman.
Yeah, R.I.P. Grootman, mfethu. Yeah, no.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, I.
Cut your hair.
Bafethu.
Yeah, hey,
Clean cut.
clean cut, baba yamabhutshwa eTopsenville, bafethu.
Look nice.
Yeah, just DM the page, mangabe ufuna ukugunda and you're around Soweto anyway. Yeah, DM the
I am
page.
saying,
We'll give you everything and anything and everything everywhere.
My man.
Kana?
no, Mina, I am saying, don't you guys want to cut your hair? Chiscop in remembrance and in honor of Jaden Adams.
Grootman.
Yeah. No, we don't want to, Maraya. Some respect to Jaden.
Yeah, some respect. Yeah.
Yeah, yo, Chisco.
Yeah,
But yeah, if they want to cut Chiscop, they can go to.
Baba
Baba
yamabhutshwa.
yamabhutshwa. Bazoyithola
Danko,
clean.
ngizoyithola clean emnandi.
Clean.
Sokushaya ngayo hayi kanami.
Without
Ayiduri cheap, eish. Very, very cheap. Very cheap.
Asivale Chief.
Yeah,
Thank you so
Asivale.
much to
Thank you,
everyone
guys.
that's
Thank you.
watching.
Please like, subscribe, and do whatever you want. In Jesus' name. Yeah, man, yeah, sikho great. Sorry.
But then yazi asiva nini bafethu yazi nasabonga bafethu.
Yeah.
Hi. Saying
Oh, what's up?